So we just create path of the interest rate. Here, let's, okay, to match the previous example, let's make it 005. And then run or, okay, then we have this number. And then this is not general because they're hard coded. So let me copy this one and then make another one to make it slightly more general. Okay. To make it slightly more general, we have to make another for loop. So now for j in range 0 and t, move. Okay. And then because this is 1, 2, 3, so clearly there's room to use these j notations. So first, if let's make it this one slightly, so let's move on over the top because it is simpler. And this is if. So if I equals 0 and if j equals 0, then we have clearly this should be R0, okay? But while j equals 0, which is bottom, okay? But I equals greater than 0, we have this one. So let's put j over here, minus j, okay. And then instead of this one, I can put j, okay? And then I don't need this one, okay? And then here, mu, let me check this one. First if, and then this is not if, this is if and else if. So it is else if. And then t minus 1. And then here, not t minus 1, so it is something below. So it is t minus 1 and then t minus j. I think this should work. Ah, okay, 1. But instead, I multiplied by j over here. So I started multiple times. So, okay, now we have used the same T sensor and T sensor match. So our code is correct. Okay. So now we didn't hard code like here -1, -3, but instead we use J. But of course, here the length of the code is the same, but suppose this T is large, right? T is large, then we have to use -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. This is too cumbersome. But here, by using J, we can now deal with potentially larger interest rate. Okay, and make it this one even more general. Okay, but before we make it general, of course, because we pass up the interest rate just doing this one, and we want to make it this one, 0. So let's copy. And then let me check whether this would work. Huh. Okay, this does not work because it is the other way of. Okay, so another trick would be, okay, what is going on? Okay, this should be J. Okay, now same, exactly same. So what I can do is first, I wanna change this one and this one. This should make a difference. Okay, same. This one and this one, same. But now these columns should start from J. Okay, we are done. So now we have a triangular form, the initial interest rate, and then this is the path of the interest rate, and number exactly matches. Okay, number exactly matches. Now, what we can do is here, next time, let's make a function to generate interest rate tree. Generate a tree, interest rate tree. So first, let me copy again. Now I want to make a function. So let me move everything. And then I want to return raise. Okay. And then define function. So interest rate tree. So R tree. And then the input variable, of course, we need t, but t is the simply length of the mu, right? So mu this one. So t equal length of the mu, but instead we have to put mu over here, okay? And then we have r0 over here, r0, r0. And then we have volatility and dt, okay? Because we have this one, dt and volatility. So let me put volatility first and dt. And then here, instead of this one, tabulate instead of rate, what I can do is I can simply copy this one. Huh, the answer is different. What's wrong? Mu length, mu dt. They are same, but raise. Okay. Now here, okay, else, I need else. Okay. Okay, this should be like this. And then here, this should be else. Okay. And then because now the code is confusing, so else, and this one, and return is, yeah. Okay. Still there is a problem. Still there is a problem. What's the problem? Okay. Let me check. What would be the problem? And it is fine. Tij1 R0. So clearly our bottom line is correct. Our bottom line is correct, but there is a problem with this line. Problem with this line. Zero. So there is a possibility that notations are confused. So let me put this on. And then raise over here. And then raise to avoid using same notation. Okay, here. Okay. Of course, I can have to change volatility and DT, but this is not critical. So raise and then return. Let me put parentheses over here. Always parentheses. And then raise this one. J I J T I0 JT T minus 1 J equals 0. So this is not exactly necessary. So R0 and then T minus 1 I minus 1 mu I dt volatility square and then raise T I raise T minus 1 to and then return. Oh, I'm so yeah, because it is not aligned. The return is not aligned, so it should be one more here. Okay. Okay, now this is correct. Okay, so now they are all correctly assigned, aligned, and then I just finish it. The function for interest rate tree.